Rain, we need it. To some, the sound of rain is peaceful and relaxing. But for this public library, water conservation is an essential necessity. Here is a hole that will hold a 75,000 litre Atlantis rainwater harvesting tank that will in turn be used to water the landscape. First, the site is excavated, levelled, and 200 millimetres of compacted gravel added to the base. A geogrid is then laid out. Then, a geotextile is laid out to protect the impermeable liner that will contain the water within the Atlantis tank modules. Another layer of geotextile is laid over the impermeable liner for protection of the liner. And now, with the magic of computers, we show you the building of the Atlantis rainwater harvesting tank, which took about 30 minutes. These are the matrix tank modules that provide structural strength, and in this configuration will hold about 75,000 litres. So here it is. The box is wrapped and backfilled.